Good morning. I have been trying for the last couple of days to get my hair from my face because my husband has asked me, how can I see with my hair hanging in my face? Today, I'm doing it again. So I put some rollers in my hair. I'll count them as I take them out. It's not very many. And it's really not to get curls. But what has been happening is that I get more body each day. That I have noticed. Because I really use nothing. I mist my hair a little bit. Mist with some water. And then I'll roll it and leave it in overnight. And these are satin covered sponge rollers. It's the rollers that your mama used to wear a long time ago. Usually it was pink and looking kind of crazy. And once I take them out, all I do is run my fingers through, try to get my hair to go where I want it to go. But even Sisterlocks, sometimes they go where they want to go, or they fall where they may. Part here seems to be a little bit flat. That's because I had it pulled back. This is the first time I ever put it in a ponytail when I curl the top. I doubt that I'll do that again because this is not the look I'm going for. I'm going to turn around so you can see it. I'm going to mist it. That's what I mean when I say I mist my hair. Thank you to my subscribers. Thank you for my new subscribers. Every now and then I see a new one. I know at one point in time I said I was stuck at 188. Now I see that it's 190. So we're growing. And I say we because I know it's not, I'm not doing this alone. There are some people that are interested in my content and they're sharing it with their friends. So if you believe that my video is worth sharing, please share it. And I'm really grateful for those of you that continue to share my video, comment, and like it. Scripture just came to mind, to trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not to your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will direct your path. So I believe my path is directed. And on my path, there are people that I can connect with and make a difference in their lives. And there are others that are there to assist me. That's my hair for today. Thank you for watching. Okay, can you do it in Spanish? Uno.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez.
You have to do it loud. Uno.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez.
Good job.